Hi viewers, this is Phone Clinic and right with you here is Engineer OC. Today I want to teach you something very important. I want to teach you today the first thing to do if your phone falls into water. Probably you have a mobile phone and by mistake it falls into water, either a bucket of water or any water at all, anything liquid at all. The first thing to do. Now please don't forget to subscribe, share our video, like our video, and leave a comment under the video after watching, please. So join me as we proceed. Now here is water and here is your phone. Now by mistake, and if your phone probably falls into the water like this, this is water. Now the first thing to do is remove the phone from the water. You can see the water inside already. Remove the water. Now the first thing to do is you quickly open the cover. Open the cover, then you remove the battery. You can see water all over. Remove the battery, then you pull out if you have any, your memory card, then your SIM cards. You remove all of them. Like this. Very fast. You remove them like this. You can see. Then you put them into the casing, to the back cover. All of them like this. Then you flip the phone like this. Flip it like this, so that some of the waters can get out of the phone. Flip it like this. Flip it like this again, so that you get some of the waters out of the phone. Now after doing this, then you look for an engineer close by, and then you take the phone for servicing. The reason why you remove the battery is to disconnect every current that's inside the phone, so that it doesn't get further damage. Because if the battery is still inside the phone while the water is inside, it will get the phone damaged. So the first thing you do is to remove your battery, and then you flip it as I've showed you. Then you take it to our engineer for servicing. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel Phone Clinic for more videos.